In this video, we will discuss about linear array. Now before this, we will see about the data structure. Now, the data structure are classified as. So data structure is classified as either the linear data structure or a non-linear data structure. Now, this linear data structure or the data structure is said to be a linear data structure if its elements form a sequence, or in other words we can say that the elements form a linear list. Then we can say that it is a linear data structure. So there are two ways of representing such a linear data structure or linear structure in memory. So one way, there is a first way. In that way, within the first way, we have a linear relationship between the elements, and this relationship, we have a relationship between the elements. Now one way is to have the linear relationship between the elements, and this is represented by using the sequential memory locations. Sequential memory locations. So this linear relationship between the elements is represented by sequential memory locations. So these linear structures are called as array. These linear structures are called as array, and there is the other way is there, the second way is there, and that second way is a linear relationship between the elements, the relationship between the elements, and it is represented by the pointers, or we can say that it is represented by certain links. So it is represented by pointers or links. So such these linear structures are, for example, a linked list. So linked list is one of the example of such linear data structure, and the array is related to the sequential memory locations. So these both are the examples of linear data structure. Now within this, we will see that when we have a linear structure, there are different operations that we can perform on linear data structure. Now the first operation is traversal. First operation is traversal operation. It means what? Now the traversal operation, it means we have to process each element. We have to process each and every element in the list. So that is called as a traversal. So in general, we print all the elements, so that is a traversal. Now the second operation which we can perform on linear structure, and that linear structure, it can be array or it can be a linked list. Now the second operation is search. Now within this search, we can find the location of an element. So that is the searching element. It means we have a number of elements, and from that elements we have to search either the location of an element, or we have to search whether that element is present within that list or not. So that is the search operation. Our third operation is the insertion operation. Third operation is insertion operation. Insertion, it means adding a new element. Adding a new element to the list. So this is insertion. The next operation is deletion operation. Deletion operation, it means removing an element from list. So that means we have to delete an element. So it is a deletion operation. And the next operation is sorting. Within this sorting operation, we have to arrange the elements in some type of order. So within the sorting, we have to arrange. So arranging the elements in some type of order. So some type of order, it means that order, it may be the ascending order or it may be the descending order. So this is the fifth operation. And the next operation that we can perform on data structure, that is merging. Merging, it means we have to combine the two lists. We have to combine the two lists into a single list. So that is merging. So in this way, we have seen these 6 different operations that we can perform on a data structure, linear data structure. So initially we have seen that data structure is there. That data structure is classified into 2 parts, or it's classified into linear data structure and non-linear data structure. So data structure is said to be linear if its elements form a sequence or it forms a linear list. So there are the 2 basic ways which shows a relationship between the elements, linear relationship between the elements. So first one is sequential memory locations, and for this example, the example is array, or we can say that it is a linear array. And the second way is by using the pointers or the link, and for this the example is linked list. Now the next, our operations of a data structure. Now the first operation is traversal. Traversal, it means process each element in the list. The second operation is search. It means we have to find the location of an element, or we have to find the element, is it present within that list of elements or not. So that is the searching operation. Insertion, it means we have to add new element to the list. Next is deletion operation. In this we have to remove an element from the list. The next 2 operations are sorting. It means we have to arrange the elements in some type of order. It may be the ascending order or descending order. And the last operation is merging operation. In this we have to combine the 2 lists into a single unit. Thank you.